Hi Leopards, it's Mrs. Kupersztoch, your librarian, and I wanted to share with you a new feature that I've added to everybody's library Schoology course. When you click on courses and choose the library course for your grade level, I'm using the second grade course as an example for today. You're going to scroll down a little bit past the header and you'll see a brand new folder that I've added above the armadillo or the bluebonnet folder that's been normally in your course. You're going to click on book recommendations. There's a button that also says, what should I read next? So we have started this idea where normally in the library we had little signs all around that had what did people recommend, books that they liked, books they wanted to recommend that other people read, other students. And so we thought, let's make this virtual so that everybody is able to access these awesome recommendations and get ideas for what they might want to read next. So there's two things in this book recommendation folder. We're going to start with this PowerPoint, this Google Slides, and this is the digital version of the signs that are hanging in the hallway, signs that are hanging in the library by the shelves for all of the recommendations. These are students from last year and this year that have submitted books that they have read and loved and wanted to tell everybody about. So when you click through here, there I think is like 30 or 31 slides, and this is going to be a growing list. So as you look through, you might see some titles that look interesting. You might see some authors or some series that look really good to you. As you can see, a long time ago, we were able to take pictures of students holding the books, and then as students were submitting theirs recently, we've just been taking pictures of the books or even just using the covers of the books to help advertise the title or the series. As you click through here, you'll see lots of really awesome choices, and hopefully this will give you some ideas of books that you might want to put on hold and check out from our library. Now, if you would like to make a recommendation, we would love to have your recommendation. If you've read a book that you loved and you want to tell everybody else about and have it added to our Google Slides right here and then taped up in the hallway as well for our in-person students, you'll click on this button, Submit a Student Book Recommendation. This is the same form that we've had going on our library website since last school year. The same information at the top. We just want to make sure, first of all, that the book that you're recommending is a book that we have in our library. So we'll want you to check to make sure we have that book so that we'll know, do we need to order it or we already have a copy. So you'll want to check that first. Do we have the book in our library? And then you'll type your name, your teacher name, the title of the book and or the series, the author. And this box down here is where you'll type in your recommendation. And this is what we'll be putting in that box right down here, which is exactly what you want to type here. So use your best grammar, use your best spelling and punctuation so that your sign and your recommendation looks really, really awesome and everybody is able to read it. So students, I really hope you're able to take advantage of this. We have some great books that we want to recommend, both our students. Miss LaKyle and I put a couple of recommendations in here, and I want you to check back often. This is something that as people recommend books, we'll be growing this list. Like I say, I think we have 31 slides right now, and it's only going to keep growing as more students recommend books. Happy reading, Leopards! Bye!